Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader Nexto. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP, JPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen right now that I am on the GBP, JPY chart and I'm using the 4 hours time frame. And as you can see, the overall trend of the market is towards the upside. As I always say, never compromise with the trend of the market and we should always stay with the trend. So market is going towards the upside, or market is an uptrend. Therefore we will only be looking for buying opportunity, because if we look for selling opportunity or shorting opportunity, then we will be going against the trend. Therefore one thing is clear to us, that market is an uptrend and therefore it will be wise only to look for buying opportunities. Okay, now let's look at the weekly time frame and see what the bigger picture is telling us. In fact, the weekly time frame is also telling us the same story. Market has formed a green candle this week, which means that market is being dominated by bulls this week. Previous week also market formed a green candle. So overall we can see that right now the dominance of the bulls is there in the market. Bulls are dominating. Therefore it will be wise to go for buying opportunity. Now let's switch to the 4 hours time frame again and see what should be a strategy. Market is going towards the upside, and as I always say, before executing any order you should always look for the area of value. In an uptrend market, the area of value is always near the support, and in a downtrend market the area of value is always near the resistance. So in this case you can see that 50 moving average is acting as a support for the market. Here. In many instances we can see that 50 moving average provided the required support. Therefore the first safe entry will be 50 moving average. Okay, if market comes down to this particular price level and you see that price is getting rejection from below, market is about to reverse from here, okay, then you will get a confirmation that yes, 50 moving average is a valid support for the market and you can go for a buy at the 50 moving average. This is your first trading opportunity and the most safe trading opportunity in GBP JPY. Your second trading opportunity can be, you can wait for the market to cross this level. I have already shown you on the weekly chart that market is very much bullish. Okay, so we will wait for the market. Okay, we will wait for the market to cross this level, 154.25. okay, right now this level is acting as a resistance for the market. Okay, not a very prominent one, but still it is acting as a resistance. Once market crosses this level, and market will comfortably trade above this level for at least 4 to 6 hours, then we will get the confirmation that yes, this resistance has become the support. Okay, once we get the confirmation that yes, the resistance has become the support, we can go for a buy above this level, 154.25 level. Okay, so these are the best two trading opportunities in GBP JPY as of now. And if you want to take some risk, okay, then you can go for a buy order right now also, because you can see that market is standing at this price level since 10th May. It's been 3 days. Market is still respecting this price level. Market is able to sustain at this price level. So there is a good possibility that market may bounce from here also. Okay, though this is the 50 moving average, and this level 154.25 is the best trading opportunities, but this is also a trading window for you right now. the current market price. If you want to take some risk, okay, if you cannot afford to take risk, if you think that you should only be going looking for safe opportunities or safe trading opportunities, then 50 moving average and this level is the best trading opportunity for you right now. No shorting call, okay. In case market reverses also, still you do not need to short the market because market is in uptrend. So if you short the market, then you may get trapped. Therefore, do not short the market, only wait for the market to come to you. Do not chase the market, let the price come to you so that you can get the best price and make some money. Okay, this is it. Wait for the market to come down to the 50 moving average, or wait for the market so that the resistance become the support. Okay, want to take risk? Go for it right now. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.